Hey guys, we received this Aloderma fresh aloe vera face hydrator for test and try. So this contains the aloe vera, like the natural aloe vera, which is used like generally taken from the plants, and then you can cut the top shell, and then there will be aloe vera gel inside it. So it's a nice bottle and nice packing. So let me just take this out. So this have this natural aloe vera, so you can feel like that thing inside, and like I'm just applying on one side of the hand, so you can see like the effect of this aloe vera on the skin. So it's very nice, have a cooling effect and nice moisturizing capacity. So overall it's a really nice fresh aloe vera feel with the nice organic aloe vera gel inside this hydrator.